What's going on, guys? My name's Roscoe. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. So today we're going to take a look at the Acronym Presto. Now this shoe released last week for a retail price of $200. It came in 3 colorways, a racer pink, a dynamic yellow, and a cool gray. Now I was able to pick my pair up through Kith. Somehow I'm just not able to cop anything at all through the Nike app. A lot of people ask me, it's like, how come I don't feature a lot of Nike shoes on this channel? I don't have nothing against Nike. I just can't cop anything. So I've been taking so many L's through Nike. So thank you, Kith, for the hookup. So this is came in the box. This box is absolutely massive for a sneaker. To put it in perspective, it's way bigger than a regular like Yeezy box per se. But yeah, just a regular Nike box. I went with my true size, size 12. If you're interested in the shoe, I recommend going with your true size. Now the colorway that I went with is, let's take a look, boom, the dynamic yellow. I like that name, dynamic yellow. That's such a cool name for a colorway, dynamic. I don't know. My YouTube channel is dynamic. But yeah, this shoe is absolutely insane. So much going on. So let me just put the box down for 2 seconds. Here we go. Now let's talk about the sneaker. Now this is the second drop, so to say. I remember with Acronym and Nike, the first series dropped last year, came in 3 colorways. Now those colorways are nowhere near as loud as these ones that dropped. The original ones are going for like $1,000 right now. So I think that kind of upped the hype up on these ones, to be honest. And I think a lot of people got sadly disappointed because a lot of them are not reselling for a lot at all. But let's just talk about the shoe. Now, like I said, this is the dynamic yellow colorway. I absolutely love this yellow, man. This yellow just gives it that big pop that the shoe needs. And then that white, that nice icy white all around. And then let's not forget about the Acronym logo, I believe. It's just like this crazy design that goes all the way around the back, up the front to the cage. Absolutely such a cool sneaker, man. And then again here on the toe box as well. Just such a cool sneaker. And then I love too that nice simple, hey, just let you know when you look down at your sneakers, you're wearing a Nike. That Nike swoosh right there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. But yeah, it's just, this shoe is just super tech wear to me. It just screams tech wear. It screams like an athletic wear sneaker. I don't know if this shoe is good for like running or probably working out in. Here. This shoe might be good for working out in if you want to, but to me this is just super tech wear. I know there's this is like a whole cult following as far as like tech wear, clothing, tech wear sneakers, and I know people went nuts for these. But yeah, I thought this was probably one of the better colorways. The racer pink for me was just too loud. It's just too much going on with the pink, the blue, and then the cage is different. If you notice on that pair is reselling for around $275, but that has been tanking lately. When it originally dropped, it was like $350, and then once people started getting their pairs, it looked like everyone just wanted to sell it because it just started tanking and going lower and lower. And again, this is just the numbers from StockX. This one right here is currently reselling on StockX for like $225 in my size, size 12. And then the cool gray. The cool gray is a really nice colorway too as well. But for me, I just want a little more pop on the sneaker for this one. To me, that just reminds me of like a stealth ninja type shoe, when the gray and the black. But I absolutely love this shoe. I like how it's like so unique how it says Acronym here, but then you get the zipper here. You have another zipper here to help you get your foot in, and then you just clip it here on the back. So cool. Absolutely cool. I love when they add zippers on sneakers, especially that Air Force One. I think that was Acronym too, right? Acronym always does the zippers with the Air Force One where you can zipper it up. That's so cool. I like that. But yeah, I thought this was a dope sneaker. Again, like this retailed for $200. I ended up picking up 2 pairs of this shoe by accident. I don't know how I did, but I got 2 pairs. I'm actually looking to probably either trade my other size 12 or possibly sell it. I don't know yet. But for this, as far as like styling and wearing it, I would wear this just strictly, to be honest, I would wear it strictly with track pants and sweatpants. That's it. I don't like this shoe with jeans. I think the jeans kind of throw it off, to be honest, because it's just like an athletic shoe, and you wear an athletic shoe with jeans, it kind of just kills the vibe of it. I can't pull it off. Now I'm not trying to say you can't do it at home, but for me, I don't like that look, and I don't like shorts with these. I just don't like how, like, with shorts, and this is like a mid-top sneaker and it goes up, it looks kind of funky, to be honest. If this was a low, if these shoes were low, with shorts, be fire, absolutely fire. But yeah, I absolutely think this shoe's dope. I think it's cool. It's definitely, I think a lot of people said this could be possibly sneaker of the year, but again, I just think, I don't think it is. I don't think this is sneaker of the year, but this is definitely probably possibly top 10 at least. So this is the bottom, just regular icy white bottom. I'm not a fan of the white bottoms because it just gets destroyed very easily, but it's such a cool sneaker. Let me know, guys, what you think of this whole collaboration with Acronym. Are you a fan of this colorway? I think this, probably, like I said, I think this was probably the better colorway of the whole pack, to be honest. Now, I'm going to throw this on foot and give you guys a better look. And guys, that's my video for today. If you guys enjoyed it, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And like always, guys, hey, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.